Hello everyone, I'm Aryan Aire from College Sanjeevani Arts, Commerce, Science, Kopragaon. I'm here today to explain the global operating system, understanding the architecture of international relations. Let's get started. Mapping the study of global interaction, the study of interaction among countries, international organizations, non-government groups, and multinational corporations in the global system. Politics, power dynamics, and governance. International relations, economic trade, finance, and resources. This play a vital role in an economy, security, defense, and conflict resolution. Culture, social, social norms and religions. Here we can see in this slide mapping the study of global interaction. These are the international relations concept like politics, economic security, and culture. Now we can move on to the next slide. System of that stabilize a connected world, maintain global peace and security, promote international trade and economic growth, help in solving global issues like climate changes, terrorism, and pandemics, encourages cooperation between countries, strengthens diplomatic relations. In this slide, we will see the gravitational centers of the global networks. Nation states, the heavy gravitational center, example India, USA, China, international organization, United Nations, World Bank, multinational corporations, cross-border economic societies, agencies, non-governmental organizations, advocacy and care groups, NGOs, individual and group micro-groups influence the microsystem. Here, the gravitational center of the global networks. There is United Nations, heavy gravitational source. There are international organizations which like United Nations and World Bank, multinational cooperation across economic entities and its. Now we will move to the next slide. The interlocking and mechanism of the state interaction. Foreign policy strategies adopted by a country to deal with other. Diplomacy managing relations between countries. International law rules governing relations between nations. Global economic trade and financial interaction. Security and defense military and strategic relations. Role movements shaped by international relations, international politics, human rights, global trade and finance, environmental issues, global governance, world war and fisheries. Theoretical framework has interpretive lenses. In international relations, theories are not just facts, they are lenses. The same global event looks fundamentally different depending on which theoretical lens you use to view it. Real world event. Realism, liberalism, constructivism, etc. These are the lenses real world for the real world events. The primary algorithm driving state behaviors, core driver, primary mechanism, desired state, realism, power and national interest, primary mechanism. Countries act strictly to protect their own interest. Every country protects their own interest. Everyone thinks about their own profit. Desired state, self-prevention and security. Liberalism, cooperation, international institutions and diplomacy. Peace achieved through global trade. Constructivism, ideas, beliefs, and social structures, perceptions, and evolving identities. Shared belief, relational, real-world execution of global framework. Economic execution, trade agreement, establishment between specific nations and regional partners. Environmental agreement, landmark climate commitments such as the Paris Agreement. Crisis response, coordinated global responses to biological threats and pandemics. Security, security operations across the borders. Let's move to the next slide. The architecture of a stable connect global. Realism, power and interest. Orbital map global across. Liberalism, cooperation and institutions. Constructivism, ideas and identity, mechanisms. Orbital maps, synthetic, segmentic. International relations is the critical study of how the world works as a unfitted, connected system. Mastering is what enable nations to cooperate, resolve conflicts, and engineer a stable, prosperous global environment. International relations play a vital role in the all of the economy. Here I have explained some of the key points of international relations. Thank you.